Household chores verbs. Set the table. Clear the table. Wash dishes. Iron clothes. Fold clothes. Dust the furniture. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Clean the room. Tidy up the house. Take out the trash. Make the bed. Do the laundry. Hang out the washing. Cook dinner. Wipe the counter. Make the bed.
I make my bed every morning before school.
Set the table. Can you set the table before dinner, please? Clear the table. Clean up the table. Remove the dishes. After dinner, I always clear the table for my mom.
Wash. Wash. Sally washed her car before selling it.
Iron. I need to iron the clothes before going to school.
Fold. Fold. She folds the clothes neatly after washing them.
Dust.
Can you dust the furniture in the living room, please?
Sweep. Synonyms: brush, clean with a broom. I sweep the floor with a broom every day. Mop.
Lau nhà.
You need to mop the floor after sweeping it. Clean. I clean my room every Sunday. I clean my room every Sunday.
Tidy up. We tidy up the house every weekend.
Empty. Don't forget to empty the trash before you leave the house.
Take out the trash. Don't forget to take out the trash. Gret, the garbage truck comes early tomorrow.
Do the laundry. Do the laundry. I do the laundry every weekend.
Hang out the washing. I am hanging out the washing on the balcony.
Cook dinner. My mother cooks dinner every evening. Wipe the counter. I always wipe the counter after cooking.
Set the table. Clear the table. Wash dishes. Iron clothes. Fold clothes. Dust the furniture. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Clean the room. Tidy up the house. Take out the trash. Make the bed. Do the laundry. Hang out the washing. Cook dinner. Wipe the counter.